Click the link in the description. Click the first play button and run anyway. When the green check appears, click the second play button and wait for the check again. Now scroll down, upload your image, make sure it's a square one, select the man in the glasses, keep the check marks on and the model to Vox and hit generate. Now wait. Hit download. The video is ready without watermarks and the music is already in it. Clicking the Full HD option will just add 2 black bars to the sides, even if the image you uploaded was a Full HD one instead of a square. Yes, you can actually add Full HD images, but the program will automatically trim the sides. So make sure the image that you are adding has the subject in the center shot. To make an image square, right click, then edit. Go to view and enable these three, zoom into the subject, create a square around it, but make sure these numbers here are the same before you let go. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and now drag the corner until the numbers are the same as your square. Or you could go to resize pixels, uncheck this and make the numbers the same, but the result is ugly.